Hello there YouTube, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to make this video because it just dawned on me the other day when I was going through some projects and things like that, just how much the world of 3D printing has really affected, the model railway scene. It's probably my favourite thing to do now, is, collecting these 3D printed kits and things like that and working on them and making them your own. And it's just come on in absolute leaps and bounds, and the sheer amount of these things that I'm doing lately, it's just absolutely fantastic. So I just thought I don't know, just take you through some of the things I've been working on lately, because not everything gets featured in a Matthews modelling video. Just look at some things and just, the sheer variety that's available now, to us modellers. A lot of it is narrow gauge. I think it is the narrow gauge scene that's benefited the most on the world of 3D printing, but there's so much available in every scale as well, when you look properly right up to O gauge and even the larger scales. Some of the things I've been working on currently, so we've got this little grey centre cab loco here. This is a Bulgarian forest loco. Forest in diesel. Again, it's such a simple thing for you to be able to print out at home. I mean, a lot of these are available as free downloads and things like that, so if you are equipped with your own printer, etc., you can do these yourself for a small fee at the very least. Wire handrails on here, such a fine exhaust, and it's all 3D printed. So yeah, I've got this little Bulgarian forest loco. Put that one down. One of the next ones that I've just currently finished is this. So here we have a 009 version of the Irish Class 121. So Batman do produce this under the Murphy Models range. But again, you get to create something unique and different, that's just for you. Just finished this one, taking the colour scheme from the Irish livery. But again, another brilliant one-off model for me and my narrow gauge collection. So that's that. And of course, it's not just narrow gauge. So over here, I'll try to show you these ones as well that we've currently been working on. Here we have the Ruston, or the prototype to the Ruston 48DS. So obviously Hornby create the Ruston 48, but here someone has manufactured the prototype, which is the 44DS. Very similar, but it's got a lot of narrow gauge elements, as Ruston were, what they're primarily narrow gauge builders, and this has been done as a 44 and a direct fit on the 48 chassis. So that's that one. And then also here, now I have featured one of these on my channel before, which I did in a BR black disguise. But then here, again, using the 48DS chassis, we've got these little battery loco, little centre cab battery loco. It's just so rude not to be into this world and not to be able to appreciate, the things that we have available to us now. Creating these little unique models. Fantastic. So double O gauge is catered for as well, like I say, among other scales. And then back down to the narrow gauge. Another one I've just recently finished is this, so a little post-war Sentinel in a prototypical blue-red livery that one carried. Next, we've got this J70 tram, also known as good old Toby from Thomas. And then here you've got another Sentinel, the vertical boiler, cab at each end variant. Can't remember the actual Y class, but we have that. There we've got here a Bagler Drury. Now Batman have obviously just released their version of the Bagler Drury, the short version. But this one was a fantastic kit to build. It was absolutely brilliant. I may feature that in a Matthews modelling with some, build photos. Over here, then we have a rendition of the Estates Katie class. So that famous open cab that the Katie classes used to carry. And most of these narrow gauge ones as well, they all run on the available Japanese chassis, which are absolutely flawless runners as well. Over here then you've got some more caricature stuff based on some mainline diesels. You've got your class 17 and your class 37 there. which I absolutely love. Absolutely brilliant idea. And then you go right up, you know, when you start to get to your really detailed things like this, like the Nigel Brooks kits. I mean, this is featuring its own video lately, but it blew my mind, did this kit, you know, and it still does. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait for Nigel to release some more things in his range, if that's anything to go by. And then you get your things like this. So you've got your Pacer, which again is featuring its own video. I mean, how can you not like that? You know, available in a narrow gauge option. Again, another free download. I mean, even if you don't know, even if you don't have your own printer, you know, there's plenty of people out there who offer these printing services. So people who don't have this luxury, you know, for a small fee you can get hold of these things and you can own them for yourself. But yeah, like I say, I just wanted to jump on and just make a little bit of a video of it, because it's kind of an obsession of mine at the minute, is the 3D printing world. I do have a 3D printer ready, you know, it's here on my workbench ready to roll. I just need to get myself set up and master the computer side of things. But yeah, I'm very much becoming a bodybuilder. Any bodies that are, you know, are available, I'm kind of jumping on and thoroughly enjoying building. So yeah, anyway, that's all I wanted to say today. I just wanted to come on, show some of the things I've been working on, and just give a thanks to the 3D modelling world, I think. So yeah, anyway, let me know if you like any of these in particular, but I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.